Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Terry. Any way that I've made money online, I'll teach you to do the same. So if you're interested in selling digital products, need a few ideas, I got you. Today's video, 10 digital products you can sell online for beginners. I'll even be giving away free game on how to create and sell your own digital products for free. So stay tuned until the very end. All I ask for is for you to hit that like and subscribe button to help me circulate in the YouTube algorithm. Now, let's jump right into it. Now, what is a digital product? It's exactly what it sounds like. No inventory or shipping required. It's all digital. So let me explain how that works. Let's say a customer places an order on your website. That digital product goes to their email address, and then all they have to do is download the digital product. It's an instant download. So like I said, straight to the email, no shipping required. Now, there are a few things to remember when creating a digital product. Must solve a problem and must provide value. So let me provide a little bit examples using myself. My very first digital product was a ebook showing people how to get hired at dispensary shops. That was one of my YouTube videos, one of my most popular. A lot of people were asking me more and more questions. I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna package an ebook and sell it to people, and they actually bought it. So this is like an example of the YouTube video that goes with my ebook. This is pretty much how I got sales. If you're wondering how to market, I would definitely recommend YouTube. So this is my first example. I'll link my first ebook down below just in case if you want to check it out. It still does make me sales too. So that's why I love digital products. Example number 2 is another YouTube video, how I made $14K with my dropshipping boutique. Pretty much I made that money with the ambassador program template. I will write girls on Instagram, hey, DM my boutique clothes. I'll give you like a gift, and then and they will actually buy my products. So I made a YouTube video about that, and people will buy my template. It was proven because it worked, right? Because people struggle getting sales, and I will help them with that. So here's idea number 1, fitness planners. Maybe you work out, you lost weight or gained weight. This can be a really good digital product to sell. You can package it into like a lot of things. Maybe you cook, you have recipes. I would definitely recommend talking about that. You can do how you lost weight, workout plans, like I said, recipes, just a day-to-day self-tracker or planner to help people, get into their fitness journey. Next digital product idea is designer tech packs. Let's say that you're a designer and you make illustrations. This is pretty much what you would send to your vendor. If you have someone creating your designs, you're not good at designing, this is where a tech pack will come in to help. You pretty much will just edit the products, and then, like I said, it's instant and go straight to your customer's email address after they buy the templates for you. So that's another idea. Next will be self-care. So you can do self-care planners, guides. Self-care goes a long way. If you have like facial, skincare, here's an example. This is an ADHD life planner. Obviously, if you're taking care of your ADHD, managing it, you probably can, call that self-care. So I would definitely recommend any type of template or guides like that. And I do have a freebie link down below, 35 digital product ideas. If you need more than like 10, I do have more listed down below. It's pretty easy. Be sure to click the link in the description, enter code FREE at checkout, and add your email. Next will be budget books. Maybe you're good with managing your money. If that's the case, you should definitely lend out templates, sell them bi-weekly, check budgets. You could do a lot with budget templates, okay? Just templates, digital products, period. So this is another idea. If you go with finance, help people save money. Next digital product is music templates. Now, this is what my husband does. He is a music producer. He makes music, raps, and all that. So he sells templates to help people, make beats, make it a little easier. It's a digital product. It's a template, something he made himself. So this is another example. Next is resume templates. Are you good at selling resumes or not selling? Are you good at making resumes? Maybe your family come to you a lot and be like, can you help me with my resume? Friend, you better sell that template. That's a template right there. Use Google Docs, Canva, depending on how you format that, because Canva be tripping sometimes, but you definitely Google Docs. It's pretty easy to create templates. Of course, you're going to use Canva to create them, or you can use Google Docs, but this is another digital product that you can sell. Next digital product is website templates. If you are a website designer like me, I sell pre-made Shopify websites. I just now started selling the templates. Like I said, I want to go all digital. Honestly, I'm kind of stepping back from making websites. I want to just do the templates like this right here. It's just easy digital download. I don't have to do any work after, instead of me making like a custom website. Next is going to be mom planners. Are you a busy mom and you keep your schedule routine nice and organized? Friend, that's something to sell. I'm a mom myself, and time can just be, time just be slipping away. So this busy mom planner, this is an idea. If you have like a good routine and schedule, you could definitely sell a mom planner. Next will be travel guides. If you are into traveling, whether that's inside the US or out, like this right here, this example, it says Greece. I've never been to Greece, but if I would go, I would buy this because I want to know what to do. I want to know where to go, what places to eat, and all that. So yeah, travel guides are pretty cool. Next will be social media templates. So if you maybe you're a social media manager, maybe you design social media templates and you just never thought to sell them, you can sell them as well. Like the previous ones you have made for other people, you can definitely resell those and reuse those. I've done this before. Like I said, I design websites and I have sold social media templates as well. So next will be how to make your digital product. So in regards to making it, I did make a video about that. I'll link it down below. Pretty much I use ChatGPT. And then where to sell your digital products, I would say Shopify. They do have $1 your first month. You can start for free. It is pretty pricey, but I do love Shopify because the analytics, and I like hearing that cha-ching sound. Another platform would be Gumroad. Gumroad is free. They do just take a cut. I believe it's 10%. I did used to start selling my products on Gumroad before Shopify. So I feel like both are cool options. With Shopify, all you have to do is download an app in the Shopify store called Digital Downloads. Pretty easy. With Gumroad, you don't really have to design the website unlike Shopify, but it is easy to design websites on Shopify. So I do hope this video was helpful. If you made it to the end, drop a money emoji in the comments, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.